Yes, I'm back. Okay. Your game is full. I am recording. My God. Look, this is my secret trick. It usually works. I could just perfectly click this button 2 times, and I'd be outside the window by now. I bet you I could just walk out this door. Let me out! Let me out! Basically. Oh! Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. I don't want to be around you right now. You look like a killer. No offense. I'm gonna play hide and seek and I'm gonna hide in this closet. Son. No, look at the closet. Don't look at right in the closet where you don't. See what I mean? I was just up here, but I just glitched. Oh. No! The killer has spotted me! It's a killer! No, he walked in! You stabbed me! It's too laggy. Sorry if you can't see my face as well. It's a killer! It's a killer! Run! I'm just gonna hide. No! I glitched him! Oh God, I just glitched. Oh my God! Oh my God! You look so scary. You scared me so bad. As soon as I came down the stairs, I jumped. And that scared me so bad. Yo! Why would you... Oh my god! He's going. He's gone. No! Switches. Changes size. Did I do? Yo, am I hidden? I'm so scared right now. Yeah. Oh my! No! No! Gotta get out. It's Slenderman! He's scaring me so bad. I'm scared. I'm smaller. Oh god! Oh god! Give me that. I'm so scared right now. I'm legit scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god, that scared me. He's never gonna find me. No! No! I bet you he's just gonna... No! Why? Why do you have to check the fire? Oh, I bet you he's gonna turn it on. Noob! Noob. Noob. He's a noob. Oh god. Oh god! You're scaring me. Don't look up! Whatever you do, don't look up! Please! Don't look up! Ha ha. No. Ha ha, noob. Oh, he saw that! He saw that! No! That's ha ha. No. Nope. Nope. Oh, yes. No! He's gonna leave! My thing is lagging! No! 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 I am at your house. I'm at your house! I am at your house. I am at your house. H-O, no, H/O-U-S. Damn computer. Damn. I can't even spell right. Damn computer. I just want to say right now in the chat, yo, mama. Runs in a house. No. Perfect. I wish you spawned the perfect house. I'd be the master. Hides. Slender. Slender is coming. I don't know if you can hear me over the music, because there's like 2 loudspeakers playing a song. Hides. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh, he's so sorry. If you did not see that, he is a noob. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Do not. Noob. Noob. No! No! Noob! Do not see me. Wait, I'm gonna lay down. I don't want it! I'm hiding under the car. I'm so scared. We only got 2 more minutes left until this video ends. If he does not find me, oh no, do not go from the car. No. I am in the car. I'm under the car. I am under the car. Help. Help. Help.